No talk. So we come back to my boy Krillin hand the flip on that boy Nappa. He like, damn. He charged out there, man. He put the hands up and he give it for his signature technique that he came up during the training of the past year. Rah! The technique that Scotto Disc was born. And Krillin, he take that technique and he launched it at Nappa. So yeah, Nappa, he ended up dodging the technique. But had he not dodged it, it would have been up for him. So he went on to hit Krillin with a good move that knocked him to the ground. Krillin, he pretty much out of the fight. Nappa was finna go and finish him up, but Piccolo hit that man with a mean blast to the back. He like, nah, cuz, I ain't gonna let you slide with that. Yeah, Nappa flopped to the ground, and he pissed the fuck off. He had the boss. So Nappa went after Gohan, right? But something snapped inside Gohan. Gohan said, nigga, I ain't taking this shit. Well, then what up then, little nigga? And boom, Gohan cracked Nappa across the face and sent him flying. Woo!